Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Mavic Pro 2, breaking news. We'll have that coming right up. I awoke this morning here on Saturday, July 28th to find out there is major news regarding the DJI Mavic Pro 2. So we'll just jump right into that. Hey DJI from DroneDJ and OsitaLV both tweeted that the DJI Mavic 2 and Mavic Pro 2 were listed in a catalog in the UK. So I'm going to go ahead and put that first slide up on the screen from DroneDJ. And it says, breaking news, DJI Mavic 2 already listed in UK Argos catalog. And you can see two pictures there. Now I'm going to go ahead and throw up on the screen here blow-ups of these two slides. And then I'm going to read to you what it says in the smaller slide here. DJI Mavic 2. The Mavic 2 is a small yet powerful drone with 1080p video transmission and up to 8 km transmission distance and a max speed of 20 m/s. It will turn the sky into your creative canvas. Its compact size and 31-minute max flight time makes this one of DJI's most sophisticated flying cameras ever. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance sensing with APAS and Active Track 2.0 give you the confidence to take to the sky and capture your moment. Dolly zoom, zoom version only. And it lists two versions, DJI Mavic 2 Pro and DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. Visit argos.co.uk for latest pricing. Now I'm going to go ahead and also throw up on the screen a series of tweets that came out from Hey DJI from DroneDJ, and we'll read them from top to bottom. The first one at the top says, DJI Mavic Pro 2 will have 1-inch sensor, Hasselblad camera, and the DJI Mavic Zoom will have 24 to 48 millimeter zoom lens with dolly zoom. What's very interesting about that is I had talked about this last Sunday in Sunday afternoon Rotor Talk Live. I'd received a tip out there that they were going to be using a Hasselblad camera, and apparently this information is correct. The second one, new DJI Mavic 2 will have 31-minute flight time, beating the 27 minutes of the original Mavic Pro. The next one reads, new DJI Mavic 2 will have top speed of 45 miles per hour. And the last one, DJI Mavic 2 Pro and DJI Mavic 2 Zoom versions. Zoom version will have dolly zoom like the Apparent and Afi. One of the things that was not mentioned by DroneDJ was it talked about omnidirectional sensing. Now that did not say obstacle avoidance, but it did say omnidirectional sensing. This is a lot of interesting information, and this can only mean that the See the Bigger Picture event will be rescheduled soon. I went ahead and tweeted DJI this morning to ask them if there's been any updated information on that. I've not received a response yet, and when I do, I'll be sure to be able to get that information out to you. Question of the day, what do you think of these specifications for the two versions of the DJI Mavic 2? Leave a note in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also, be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching and happy flying.